Hi Gage, my name's Corey. Melissa told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition and really driving a lot more quality traffic to your website. This is all organically too, by the way, not doing any of those Groupon ads or paid advertisements with Google or anything like that. But anyway, 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking over your site and really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Even these images, what they're saved as. This is all content back here. You got your name. You can actually switch that out, put some keywords, which I'll go over in keywords just a minute. Your name, I'd actually just keep that up in your logo as well. But yeah, if I go inside of Google and type in heater repair San Diego, this is what you're gonna see. You got this these Google ads here at the very top. They put the old school ads here at the very bottom. A lot of people have been going away with the old school ads just because they've been really spammy. So what Google did is came out with these Google guarantees. They just help block out some of those spammy phone calls is all. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. I'd love to break down the ROIs with the paid ads and also the Groupon ads, and also all this organic stuff too. But right here in this little map pack, you have a bunch of businesses trying to compete and get in the very top there. Even there's a bunch of pages after this as well. But to get in the very top, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation right here. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in and get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, maybe even 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does their algorithms, they have no reason but to put you at the very top in this little map section here. Underneath that, we have this is where all the organic traffic happens, right in this area here. And this is the first page of Google. And to be found there is really going to be dealing with all that authoritative content, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it to help you get on that first page of Google and drawing all those leads. But backlinks, not all backlinks are actually created equal. There's a huge trust factor as well. If I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Let this pull up for a second. So you got 270 referring domains, pushing back over 2,000 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 12,000 there. 1.7 keywords you're being found for, 617 clicks on average to your website, which is all organically. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it looks like you're running several ads here. But coming in and seeing where these 617 clicks are actually coming from, we're just going to come in the side of the keywords. This is how people are actually finding you right here with all these keywords. This is the amount of volume for each keyword and also the traffic that you're getting from those keywords as well. This is your position that you're ranking with them off of Google, I should say. So you got a Ream water heater model numbers, Ream water heater age of Ream water heater. This is how people are finding your website, by the way. Goodman, San Diego. You got your name there. Ductless AC, San Diego. There's 80 clicks there. Getting a few clicks off that. Furnace serial number lookup, Ream older models, age of Goodman furnace. Let's go to the second page. Jeez. Yeah, let me just jump into one of your competitors here. This is Bill Howe. He does plumbing, HVAC, all that other stuff too. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. I'm just going to do a quick overview. They got 752 referring domains, a little over 8,000 backlinks, 11,000 keywords they're being found for, over 6,000 clicks to their website every month. And coming in and seeing what they're actually ranking for. Plumber, Salona Beach, there's 100 clicks a month there. First position, they're getting 45 clicks out of the 100. Pretty decent ROI on that keyword. Commercial plumber, San Diego, 150 clicks a month. First position, 47 clicks out of the 150. Plumber Escondido, another 250 clicks. So really coming in, finding a lot more keywords that's going to help you rank and drive more traffic all organically is going to really save you a lot of money on those clicks. with those advertisements. Air conditioning repair, San Diego, CA. There's 150 clicks there. They're fourth position. They're getting 17 clicks out of 150. Not bad, still being the fourth position, but really coming in, finding more keywords. Really, backlinking is going to help you get on that first page of Google to really draw on those leads and save your money on those ads. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. If you want to give me a review, I do love reviews. Thanks. Have a good day.